It is going to teach them, it's going to teach them to never do this again.
A Bonne Terre grandmother who lost 3 loved ones in a crash caused by a suspected drunk driver is turning her pain into purpose. She wants drunk drivers to pay child support if they kill a parent.
And she tells News 4's Russell Kinsall that Missouri lawmakers are buying into that idea.
The main aspect of Bentley's law is financial responsibility by the offender.
Cecilia Williams has found a novel way to combat the tragic consequences of drinking and driving. In April, her son Cordell Williams, his fiancée Lacey Newton, and their 4-month-old son Cordell II were killed in a crash on Highway 30. Their car was rear-ended, pushed off the road, and burst into flames after hitting a tree.
Right, yeah. You need to sit back and be quiet, remember?
Williams is now raising their 2 other children. That's 3-year-old Mason in the back seat. David Thurby is facing multiple charges for allegedly causing the crash. His blood alcohol level was twice the legal limit. Williams is pushing for passage of Bentley's law, named after her 5-year-old grandson. It would require drunk drivers who cause an accident that kills a parent to pay child support to their children till they turn 18.
They deserve to get that compensation, because you're talking about raising children that the parents are no longer here.
State Representative Mike Henderson of Bonne Terre is drafting the Bentley's Law bill. He'll introduce it in the next legislative session.
I do firmly believe that these people who are driving drunk and take away the parents of these children, there's got to be some help for these children. It comes down to that.
Williams believes that drunk drivers who are making monthly child support payments will think twice before drinking and getting behind the wheel again.
It is going to teach them, it's going to teach them to never do this again.
Williams' idea is catching on elsewhere. A lawmaker in Tennessee also plans on filing a Bentley's Law bill next year.
My goal to make Bentley's Law nationwide.
And hopefully help other children grieving the loss of a parent, or possibly prevent other tragedies. Russell Kinsall, News 4.
As Russell mentioned, David Thurby is facing charges in that deadly crash. Thurby admitted to police that he'd consumed 7 shots of Crown Royal prior to rear-ending the family back in April. He's expected to go on trial in Jefferson County on January 3rd.